guess my battery was dead in it, and I didn't realize it. So I put the spare battery in it. I got 100% battery. I haven't even charged that battery. I guess that airboat said he was getting the hell out of Dodge. Look at the gators ahead of us. I can tell you what, you wouldn't want to run this in the morning until it got daylight. Yeah. You must be getting close because now I see the lily pads again. I didn't see a whole lot of them coming through that stretch.
These should be the last little trips.
Yeah, the state park should be right there on the left hand side. That ain't bamboo. No. Is that bamboo right there?
It looks like it.
Go down just a little bit. I mean, you still go, but I mean, I just want to. I don't know what's up ahead of us. I guess we're supposed to. It goes this way. Oh, that's huh?
I dropped out to 1-4.
Did it pick back up?
Yeah.
See, this right here should come out right there where they have all the airboats and stuff at up there.
It should be dropping out any second.
It is, because I see all the airboats right up there.
You see them already?
Oh, hell yeah. Look at them up there.
I can't see flags.
Can you see the flags on top of them?
No.
You will as soon as you get up away from them bushes right there. Yeah. Alligator right there. See all the boats. Pretty nice little ride. I kind of enjoyed that. Tiger Lake, Kissimmee Lake.
They parked it right there to our left.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, right here's where that lady got flipped over.
Yeah, that's a form of bamboo, but
It's almost like a bull rush. It's almost like a bull rush. Don't keep getting closer to the shore. You just go out there a little bit and spin around and go back. How you guys doing today? Doing good, thank you, sir. Just go out there and spin around. We'll go back. We know where it comes out at now. Okay. Here it is, guys. Made it all the way from Tiger to Kissimmee. That rain cloud is trying to push back in over to the east.
is it okay to stop here?
Yeah, stop.
1.5.
Stop. Just turn your motor. Just turn it all the way back to the left. Can you give me a bottle of water, please?
Throw me some pork rinds or something.
Yeah, very good there.
Well, just got that empty feeling.
Yeah, that's where it comes out. What?
I hit it with my elbow.
Just bump it in gear and we'll start easing back. Yep, this is where it comes out to. This is right here where that little lady got tipped over on that kayak.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because the state park's just right there on the other side of
Oh,
the
yeah.
bulrushes. I didn't know. I don't know if she was coming out of the state park. I don't. I have no idea on that one.
That would be horrible.
Yeah. That'd be the area. Yeah.
Gotta grab it with both hands.
That's airboats.